Right. He's ready to go back together. Maybe need a couple extra parts. Oh, dude, guys, I forgot. Today's the Akron Motorcycle Swap Meet, Dusty Chrome Swap Meet. The first swap meet of the year for motorcycles. It's mostly Harley Davidson, but who cares? You never know when someone throws in a Japanese bike in that thing. Yeah, I got time to go. It's early. See if Camera Girl wants to go. I have to talk her into it. All right, let's go to motorcycle swap meet today. There's a lot of cool stuff and a lot of cool looking bikes. Yeah, buddy, let's go. Yeah! Well, we're headed to a motorcycle swap meet. Right, Camera Girl?
Yeah. What a great idea.
Yeah, it's really a good idea with this. Of course, we're in Ohio, and it's snowing as usual. So, yeah, we got an hour drive. Yeah, this is rain. It just turned to snow, so yeah, it's going to be a little slick. If we make it there, you'll see the swap meet.
Thanks.
Well, hey, everybody. Welcome to Bucket's Garage. Look where we are. The first motorcycle swap meet of the year. Well, this is the Summit County Motorcycle Swap Meet. It's mostly Harley here today. We did a quick walk around, look around. But if you're into Harley stuff, you're looking for vintage Harley stuff, leather, whatever, this is the place to come. This is the first one, and this is a big one of Ohio. Got to come here, check it out. Let's look around. Hard to find Harley parts. You know, Honda, Japanese stuff is easy to find. This kind of stuff is even harder to find until you come here. Holy buckets, guys. The first Japanese wheel I saw today.
cool for Portland. Oh, guys, check this out. Now, I've never seen anything like this. And that's a good price. You know where this would be good? Portland, Indiana, guys. This would be great for Portland. It's got pedals and all. Looks like it may need a little work. You know how it's like this? Terrell. Terrell, I know, buddy. You would love this thing. This thing's cool. Some of the coolest stuff you find at these swap meets. You never know what you're going to find when you come here. That's right. Wheels, wheels, wheels everywhere. Wheels, yeah. Look at this leather, guys. Yeah, buddy. Need a nice set of boots. I think those ones the US on them is pretty cool. Man, look at that bling bling. And this is going to be for a good cause, for breast cancer. So if you donate, it goes for a really good cause, guys.
I don't know if you want to try and change this.
How's it going today?
Good, how you doing, bud?
I'm doing
Good.
Sorry, I didn't know where to call you guys.
The other way. Thanks to that gentleman right there.
Yeah,
You don't mind being on YouTube.
I do not.
All right.
Just don't go to the post office for this.
Got it. Okay, guys, we have a good old American classic, the Indian. Look at this beautiful thing. It's all looks like it's in original conditions too. I mean, where can you guys see this stuff anymore? That thing's beautiful. That's exactly what I would do with this. Is just get on it and ride it. I won't even clean it. I like it just the way it is. Good American classic. Oh, you're starting to find some stuff here for repairs. Guys, you can get yourself a big bore kit. And then the bell to beat the heck out of somebody. Ding ding, on that corner! Yeah, if I knew the size inner tube I needed, I'd probably get it. Leave a motorcycle. $2. Thank you.
Once that's done, I think they'll go from here.
One of those says Suzuki GT550.
You know, these were, you mount them on a bicycle, turns it into a motorcycle. A moped, I should say. That was the first motorcycle.
Wave again.
I bet you guys there's a part here in this table that you need. Isn't there? Sorry. I know it's laying here. Sorry. But you gotta go to these shows, man. You'll find it.
You got $3, 3 of them left. You don't get that.
That's our YouTube channel.
Hang on, buddy.
Brand new, the bulbs.
Holy buckets, guys! Look, we bought a fan. Tim.
Tim Mace, Akron, Ohio. Check him out. He's got a good show.
That's right. Holy buckets. Holy buckets, guys. We're gonna go outside and freeze for a minute. This is what we did to come to this swap meet today. We came to a swap meet. You're welcome. We came here in a snowstorm just to come to this swap meet. So guys, you make sure you get to this swap meet because this is a really good show to show up to. A lot of nice parts, a lot of nice people. Every show I got. Okay, guys, this is the end of the show. We're all done looking around. Unfortunately, Tim, we were going to visit him today, but the weather's too bad outside today. So this is going to be the end of it, and we're going to go and try to make it home. I'm going to try to make it to Chipotle. Anyway, this was a good show. We enjoyed it a lot. It was a lot of fun. So if you want to come on down next year, I think they have one in the fall. Check it out. Summit Racing Motorcycle Swap. Summit, Ohio. Yeah. That's it. Anyway, hey, don't forget to like. Don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you guys next weekend. I'll do something very surprising. I don't know. Crazy. Maybe I'll get on some of the motorcycles. Maybe they'll let me ride around. I don't know.
I think you.
I do. Oh, yeah. Hey, I gotta walk through the slush.
Terrible things you gotta do.
They gotta open the door of the kingdom of.
Here, I will help you.
Oh, thank you. Oh,
We help you again.
oh yeah. Yeah. Cool bridge. But the train is gone.